Nijetago Sarafina Salim na Godama tribute on behalf of my sisters Shirobito na Jerry. Our dear brother, why did you leave without saying goodbye? You never gave us a sign that you are going to leave. Where are you now? We would love to talk to you if possible, but it's sad we can no longer do that, no matter how much we cry. It hurts. We never said goodbye. You meant so much to all of us. You are special, and that's no lie. You brightened up the darkest day. Your smile alone warmed our hearts. Your laugh was like music to hear. To the heavens above, we wish we can fly just to hug you and say goodbye. And we still wonder why you left us. Since that sad Sunday afternoon that our God called you home, not a second passes when you are not on our minds. We will never forget your love, and we hope that this heart will ease in time. Many tears we have cried, but we know that you are in a better place now and no longer in any pain. You touched our lives in special way, not forgetting what you always told us. Our great prayer is God to give us strength to accept this and enable us to walk through this. Thank you for uniting us as a family, for care, and for the love that you had for all of us. We thank you again for the beautiful sister in love you have left us, Judy Njuguna, and the beautiful children that we will always love, cherish, and adore. We promise to always be there for them as long as God keeps us. We love you, Njuguna, and we have great hopes that one day we shall meet and complete our chain that is now broken. We will miss you, and that is what breaks us the most. It is still unbelievable. Huruka thayo, Njuguna Mujiro. Huruka thayo, mumathi wa Kirira. Huruka thayo, murangiri wa ruriri. Wamukirwo ni araika na muhiriga wa Anjiro aitu. Wiganire okirine otoria mwene nyaga. Aronire ni kwagiriire ni thayo. Itanehera and my sisters, this is very sad for us. Heka ndoka mwe tudirarikanaga muthenya wa ira Shiro na Jerry. Twita family, twita ciana cia mami na baba. Niturahitanagia, tukendana, tukabroka na WhatsApp, tukanbroka na otoria ari mutugo wa ciana. Etiguo. Hena kaundu maite, akubroka kana kuhitiria arakwiraga. Forget what I said when my sugar was high. Kaune kodo turaririkanaga tugatheka muno, na kaundu bangi turaririkanaga ni ati rimwe twahitania tukahurira mami, tukahurira dadi, tukahurira mutumia wa Njuguna, tukamwira ucio ruo na tutikana mwariria, tutikaneka ati mami aratwiraga nie cianyu ndikwenda gutua tondu muthenya uyu ngaritwo na twinokete mucii hamwe. Mutumia Njuguna nake aratwiraga riu nie nguga atia na no ni munyiri riu na Kenyere accent arauga riu nie nguga atia Betty, riu nie ngukimwira atia tondu riu ri irie muri nyina umwe na riu ndaingirira ri ngutigwo ndi wika. Nindirakenera Ngai muthenya wa muthi gutuhe hinya ona kana ni atwehererie Njuguna. Ni njui Ngai, God, the God we serve, will never leave us empty. May God bless you for coming. Thank you.